everyone, Joanna Wilson here for my OCR A-Level Chemistry Manual. Today we're going to be looking at Section 5 Core Organic Chemistry and we're focusing in on alcohols. Just works filtering. So the outcomes for this session are to be able to describe alcohols in terms of polarity of the COH bond, to discuss solubility of alcohols in terms of hydrogen bonding, classify them into primary, secondary and tertiary, consider reactions of alcohols to form carboxylic acids or aldehydes, to know that alcohols can be turned into alkenes by elimination of H2O, and to know that alcohols can be turned into haloalkanes through substitution with halide ions. So lots to go through and let's get started. So we can have 3 different types of alcohol and this depends on the carbon that they are bonded to. How many other carbons is that bonded to? So primary alcohols just have 1 carbon molecule bonded to the carbon, secondary have 2 and tertiary have 3, and I think this picture shows that very clearly. Alcohols are typically slightly soluble in water and this is due to hydrogen bonding between the alcohol and the water. It's known to be a polar molecule due to those lone pairs on the oxygen inducing that dipole. The longer the alcohol, the less soluble in water it is, and the extra carbon atoms get in the way of the hydrogen bonding is the reason for that. We can combust alcohols, so it may sound strange, but they can react with oxygen to produce CO2 and water. There is an example of the complete combustion of ethanol on the slide, so please look at that and look at how it's balanced, because again you might be asked to do that. We can also have incomplete combustion, which we only produce carbon monoxide or just carbon instead of CO2, so be willing and able to write those combustion reactions for alcohols. The reactions of alcohols then, so we can oxidize alcohols and this requires an oxidizing agent such as an acidified potassium dichromate. So this is dichromate with sulfuric acid. We do need to know the formula for this and we do need to know that it's an acidified potassium dichromate. The products of oxidation can be aldehydes, ketones or carboxylic acids depending on the type of alcohol, and we will be going more into aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids in the A2 spec. Primary alcohols undergo oxidation to form an aldehyde or ketone. Secondary alcohols can be oxidized just to ketones and tertiary alcohols cannot be oxidized at all. Thank you so much for watching this teaser video for the OCR A-Level Chemistry Manual. You can now click the link down below to download the full manual. Please check it out now. Keep smashing it and remember, anything is possible if you just work. Bye!